Massaging the tender spots out of your hip and thigh muscles on the front right here will set you up to loosen the muscles that put lots of compression and pressure into your hip joint and your knee joint. But if we're talking about hip arthritis, one of the reasons why you get pain in the front of your hip when you have hip arthritis is because these muscles are just compressing your joint. And if you can loosen up the muscles on the quads and the hip flexors in here, then you're set up to have less compression going through your hip joints. That will allow you to feel better, have less stiffness, and maybe be able to walk a bit more. But this isn't the whole fix. You need to start getting the right muscles stronger so that these muscles in front aren't working too hard and getting tight all over again. Using the massage gun like this will give you some temporary relief and allow you to get into a spot where you can exercise the right muscles without these taking over right away and getting stiff on you real quick. Now, using this massage gun isn't always the most comfortable. It might even be a bit painful, but the payoff is huge and it's setting you up to do the right things to avoid a hip replacement surgery. But once you get used to it and you get the benefit of loosening up your muscles, then you're gonna wanna switch to the more pinpointed attachment to get deeper in that muscle and get it even looser so you can get more benefit out of it. If you want to learn more about me from hip arthritis, check out this video. If you want to learn more from me about hip arthritis and how to fix it, check out this video right here.
You know,